দিনের আলোয় আমি যখন আধার দেখেছি মা, দিনের আলোয় আমি যখন আধার দেখেছি, সেই আধারে মা, সেই আধারে আমি তখন কাজল গড়েছি, সেই কাজলে চোখ ফোটাবো মনে ভেবেছি মা, দিনের আলোয় আমি যখন আধার দেখেছি মা, দিনের আলোয় আমি যখন আধার দেখেছি। Hello friends, this is Poulami back again from the pages of Kitchen Melodies. Evening Adda is most common, rather popular activity during the pujo time. You get to spend quality time with your loved ones, be it your cousins, your friends, or sometimes elders of the families with whom you generally get very little time to spend with. Evening Adda is all about that. No Adda is complete without having some evening snacks, be it shingara, moshla muri, any kind of chop, aloo chop, beguni, fuluri, piyaji, churmur, phuchka, tikiya, ghugni, or any rolls like chicken roll, mutton roll, egg roll. We can think of n number of popular evening snacks which can complement well with the Adda sessions. But when it comes to pujo, there should be some special evening snacks, isn't it? So, what about having some fried chicken wings? That too in KFC style, that too homemade? Great, na? Let's check the recipe today. So, let's start with the recipe. I'll be taking chicken wings. I have taken here 7-8 pieces of chicken wings, 2 eggs, some whole masalas like bay leaves, some peppercorns, some cloves, some cinnamon sticks, 2 red dry chilies, and some masala paste. This is ginger paste, this is green chili paste, and this is garlic paste. I will also require some powder masalas. This is jeera powder, ya cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, pepper powder, salt. This is black salt, and I will require, this is flour, wheat flour, maida. This is oats, and this is corn flour. The cooking medium will be refined oil. So first thing first, I'll prepare the stock now. I have taken water in a pan. I will add all the whole masalas I have taken. Then I have added ginger paste, garlic paste, and the green chili paste, and let the water boil. I will prepare one batter. For that, I have cracked 1 egg. I'll add salt, some pepper powder, Kashmiri mirch powder, biscuit, add some corn flour, some cumin powder, and some flour, and again mix this nicely. Now when the water is boiling nicely and a nice flavor is coming, I will add the chicken wings and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. See, nice batter is prepared and the chickens are cooked for roughly 3 minutes. I have switched off the flame and will pick up the boiled chickens to a plate and keep it in a plate for further process. This is a nice stock which we have prepared. We can use this stock in any chicken dishes or any soup. You can reuse this stock. You must have noticed that I have not added salt during boiling this chicken. Now I'll place this half cooked chickens in the batter which I have prepared. And rest it for at least few minutes. I have added salt in this batter. Coat these nicely and let it rest for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's start with the coating part. Now I will prepare the coatings. I'll add black pepper in both flour and the oats. I'll add red chili powder, a Kashmiri mirch powder. This is not red chili, this is Kashmiri mirch powder. Some cumin powder, some salt, some black salt and mix them nicely. Maida or flour will be my first layer of coating and the oats will be my second layer of coating. I have tried this making with chicken wings. You can also try this with the normal chicken pieces, the KFC fried chicken thing. If I try this, I'll let you know. Okay, my 2 coatings are ready and I will prepare one masala also. The remaining black pepper and the Kashmiri mirch powder, some cumin powder and salt. I will let you know what I will do with this masala. But I will prepare this masala. This is yum. I have cracked the other egg. I will add some salt. And biscuit. Believe me, this is a very easy recipe. It seems that so many processes are there, but this is a very easy and very less time taking recipe, but a chatpata snacks. We all love KFC chickens and this is as good as the chicken wings we get at the KFC. Now let's start with the final process. This is a five steps of preparing this thing. I have taken this from the batter and put it in the flour. Coat the flour nicely and dip it in egg and coat it with the oats. And this is ready. I'll take another piece. Coat the flour. Dip it in the egg. Put it in the oats. Cover it nicely. And keep it. Now you can see the wings are ready. I have to set it, so I'll keep it in the refrigerator for roughly 10 minutes. I have taken it out from the refrigerator after 10-12 minutes. And I have put oil, refined oil, and the oil is now nice and hot, and I will deep fry these wings. This in medium to high flame. The chicken is already half cooked, so it will not take much time. You have to fry this till golden brown. You can see these wings are nicely fried. See, I'll put it in a kitchen napkin. You remember I have prepared one masala. I'll sprinkle this over the hot chicken because the masala will get nicely mixed when the chicken is hot. I will serve this in a serving tray. And the crispy KFC style chicken wings is ready to serve with mayo dip. By now you all are aware that I will also show one veg recipe today, like all my previous episode. So for the veg snacks option, I have chosen hara bhara kebab. Believe me, it's not at all a complicated recipe. Yet, this delicious kebab can compete easily with any other of its non-veg counterpart. So, please try this recipe during pujo to enjoy Adda sessions. Let's check the recipe.
So let's start with the hara bhara kebab. So I will require some ingredients. Let's check on the ingredients. This is blanched spinach. I have blanched it. This is pudina pata, pudina leaves, mint leaves. This is coriander leaves, dhone pata. Some green chilies. Some half-boiled potatoes. This is not full boiled. I have diced it in small pieces and half-boiled it. Okay. I will require some capsicum and green peas. So I will add this. First I will add the green peas. And the capsicum. And see, it is grind into smooth paste. Then I will add spinach first, then the mint leaves and the coriander leaves, and again grind it. You have seen I have not added water yet because too much liquid, if it becomes too much liquid, it will be difficult to prepare kebabs. Rather, we have to bind it. We have to add some agents for binding agents. Yes, you can see the paste. Now I will add the chilies and the half-boiled potatoes. Some ginger paste. And some salt. Now you can see the paste is ready. See? Now I will transfer this to a bowl. And add few ingredients to it. This is cashew nut powder. This will give a creamy flavor to this kebab. I will add roughly 2 to 3 spoons of this cashew nut paste. This is breadcrumbs. I will add breadcrumbs because I have to give it a bind. And this is besan. I will roast it first and then I will add this. Okay. So let's roast it first. In a pan, I will just add it and roast it. Roasting is complete. I will shift it to a bowl and add as per requirement to this mix. First I will mix this. Then I will add the roasted besan to it. The roasted besan will give a roasted flavor in this kebab. All other ingredients are raw ingredients which I am using over here. In the meantime, I will add some chaat masala and some black pepper. See, this has become tight. See, this has become nice and tight like any other dough. So this is ready. I will add some stuffing. So let's prepare the stuffing. Now for the fillings, I have taken cashews and raisins and cut it into very small pieces. I will add some chopped ginger in it, black pepper and chaat masala, the remaining chaat masala and the black pepper in it, some black salt, and we'll give it a mix. I will take some ghee in my palm and make small balls. I will add some of very little filling into it. Close it and prepare. Kebabs like this. This preparation time is little more, but the cooking time is very less. See, the pan is nice and hot. I will add ghee to the pan. I will add the kebabs. I will cook it in the high flame. When the one side gets cooked, I will flip it off. gently. Cook it in the high flame till this side also gets brown. You can also add charcoal to give a smoky flavor to this kebab, but I like this simple only. The taste is amazing, so I like this only. My kebabs are ready. Aha. So I can serve it now. So my version of hara bhara kebab is ready. Please try this delicious recipe, and this much for today. Let's meet on the next episode. Bye bye.